Hey guys, Tiana here. So guess what? Christmas comes early this year. I know many of you have been asking whether we'll be coming out with a Christmas countdown box, and who am I to disappoint? Here it is. Our elves have been hard at work creating our 2023 Box of Joy. Countdown to the holidays with 12 days of nail art surprises, from exclusive items to limited edition plates, and who knows what you'll unwrap next. The first 200 purchases will receive a bonus exclusive item from this box. And the best part, and the part that you want to know, right, is the Box of Joy will be coming out on Friday, October 13th. So definitely mark your calendars. Make sure you put a post-it note in your notebook. Whatever it is you do, you won't want to miss this limited edition box. So here you go. I hope you guys are excited as I am, and happy stamping.